Hi, I'm Nadia.
I'm Ariel.
I'm Morrison.
And I'm Yizhu. We are the academic chairs of YGS.
We are responsible for designing the theme of the conference and curating speakers for the panel. The theme of this year will be Equilibrium, Our World in Balance. 齐思心向，共诉均衡.
Each day of our conference will focus on the intersection between two of our three sub-themes: technology, culture, and nature. 科技、文化与自然.
We have an exciting list of speakers and panels lined up for you in 2024. Some will focus on contemporary realities in China, including artificial intelligence governance, new energy supply chains, and Chinese artists' impressions of nature.
In addition to our academic panels, we're also planning some exciting events such as a conflict resolution workshop and a networking event with YGS alumni. We look forward to seeing all of you in Beijing. 新年快乐!
Bye!